Open Google Chrome tab on your desktop and search Passport Saver. One web page will appear, then open first link. Here the home page of official website looks like this. Here we see some options. Already if you have an account, just skip it and log in. Otherwise you don't have an account, you need to create it in following steps. Step number 1. By tapping on New User Registration. It shows a lot of options like where to apply, selection of passport office, giving your name, surname, date of birth, email ID, and confirm that entered email is to be same as login ID. Then enter password, maintain it as strong to contain special characters and symbols, numbers. Re-enter password to confirm it. Select one of hint question which are shown there, also type answer to that hint question. Here we need to enter the displayed captcha. That's it now, tap register button to registering your account. The registration process was completed. Step number 2. Here we need to log in our account with already created ID and password. Once we log in into our account, our login info will displayed on right side at top, so check this carefully. Now click on second link, apply for fresh passport. It enter into open page, there read the information, to proct for next step by clicking on fill the application form. Step number 3. If you are applying for your first passport, then choose fresh passport. Also there are two types of passports, one is normal and another one is Tatkal passport. Select that which type of passport do you want and select the how many pages you want on the passport book, then click next. Step number 4. In step number 4 it required to apply applicant details, like name and surname as per 10th mark sheet, select your gender, choose that you any other name or not, and have you ever changed your name or not, enter your date of birth, place of birth, state, district, martial status, citizenship. PAN and voter ID number is not mandatory. Select your employment, educational details. If you completed your 10th standard, then choose option No to non-ECR category. Enter your identification marks and Aadhaar number, also agree yes at below table. Step number 5. Simply give your father name and mother name with surname as per based on 10th mark memo and Aadhaar card. Click Save My Details and click Next. Step number 6. In this step we need enter our present address details and choose the nearest police station to your address for communicate easily when on police verification process. Alternately, if you have a permanent address, mention that also, but they prefer only present address for police verification. When you click on Next button, the pop-up is appear on screen. Agree that for messages updates from Passport Saver. Step number 7. Just give name and address of your parents for an emergency contact when you're unreachable. Step number 8. It's a very important step, so read carefully when selecting the options. Don't you have any identity certificate, then select option No for first question. Also this is your first time to applying for passport, then choose the option No for second and third question. Step number 9. In step number 9, I think everyone can choose option No for all question, because it's all about is there any pending cases on you or not. Also it inquires that the applicant has been ever refused denied passport or not. Step number 10. Check that details properly, which we entered previously. Then entered into other page which was self-declaration form, fill the form and save your details, then submit your form. Your application form is done for passport. But it's not done completely because we have to pay the application fee and book the appointment for passport verification. Once you done application process, then go back to applicant home page. Now open first link. Here select your application and it appears into 3 rows. Click on second row, then open Pay and Appointment Schedule to choose one date of according to your availability. Then complete payment via debit card, credit card. Also use UPI apps. Once complete the payment, you access to print the application after few minutes because it takes time to update.